please come and have a look what's going on there. I don't remember what his room number is. Do you remember?
Keep going, LaBouffe.
Who knows now? Oh,
Take a right.
Somewhere here.
We've got a little treat. No, not that way.
Am I
That
going to
one,
that?
room 302.
Oh, yeah.
Give him a knock.
Are we going the right way? Oh, hello.
Welcome. Nice to see you.
Oh.
Good evening,
Come on
Andy.
in.
You all right?
Good evening. How are you, Paul?
And of course, the lady of the Ness. You all right?
Come on through.
Are you in
I'm coming
Cairns?
I've been
Been
there.
to Cairns, but where are we today?
We're in Paphos.
We're in Paphos.
Our
And we've
Ness.
snuck into a rather nice room. Come with me. I'm going to show you the view. Off
And I'm
this little
admiring the
terrace.
beauty of the mirror, as usual.
Oh my goodness. This
Oh my
is what
goodness,
they
oh
call
my
a
goodness.
side
What is
view
going
sea
on in
room.
this
And you know
goodness?
what? This is the best view in the house because of course
Wow,
that
wow, wow.
is the downtown Cape of Paphos promenade and harbour area, and that is the blue Mediterranean Sea. And if you look over the balcony, that is the adults only area, of course, at the Alexander the Great. One of the greatest hotels in downtown Paphos. Christina Booth, what do you think?
Well, I cannot express enough my emotions. When you look out of this balcony, you think that whole world was presented just to you. Then you understand that not only whole world is just whole world and another half, because that very half is that, well, a very inland view. So it's a sea view where it's all the beautiful waves going around. These old people enjoying themselves downstairs somewhere in the lounges, longies, sunbeds. Sunbeds around the pool. And we shall come back to the sunbeds, by the way. It's a very interesting story because they all have their own sunbeds. This is how special they feel in this very beautiful hotel. Would they go anywhere else? This is a question. No, they wouldn't. Now there is a beautiful inland view where you can see a different type of the hotel, which means it's the mountains, it's the new buildings that come up in this beautiful, recently beautiful built Paphos, and then you can see many other people walking around these places. This is is it tennis?
That's the tennis course. Yeah.
Really enjoyable view around. I honestly would say this is one of the best hotel rooms I have seen before. I have ever seen. Especially these clouds are gathering. You know, all the tourists have to forgive me. I always love the rain, and these clouds remind me that the rain is somewhere here to come. So even though, don't be scared, the clouds are gathering, but then within 10-15 minutes, maybe a little bit of shower will come for 5 seconds and it's be gone.
It will indeed. The dancing, twirling, massaging Christina the Booth. Let's have a quick look down there again.
What a
That is the
beautiful,
adults
beautiful
only
view.
area. So
Cannot-
that's one of their spectacular pools. And of course, these are the little plunge pools that come
sunset
with
is
the
there.
bungalows. And if you look at that raised platform just over there, that's where you can go and get a great
Have you
view
made the pictures
out
like
into
that?
the blue
Have you?
Mediterranean Sea, or perhaps even put a padlock. Now, let's take you back in. Lord Andy and of course Lady Ness have given us the, well, privilege to come and have a look
we
at this
have a few
spectacular room.
questions to these people. We would like to know whether the meals or the theme nights, what they're having, are truly good, or they're just because they're too polite gentlemen and lady.
Well,
they
we're only bed and breakfast.
Are you? Okay.
So we don't have an evening meal here.
So
or
you're not
lunch.
on half board, right?
Well, no, not even half board. We're bed and breakfast. So we
Right.
go out for our lunch, we go out for
Okay.
evening meal. But
Right.
breakfast, wonderful.
Wonderful.
We do eat lunch at the pool bar sometimes.
Yeah, we had
again,
lunch
Lady
at the
Ness
pool
goes
bar
for it.
today,
Yeah,
didn't we?
we have lunch in the pool bar sometimes, and it's very good.
The food,
It is very
I
good.
had lunch. We
Yeah.
both had lunch today.
Can I ask you, how many times have you been to the Alexander the Great?
Oh my goodness.
We've lost count. Well, put it this way, we've been coming since 2013.
13.
13.
We
And it's
missed
always
1 year.
twice a year.
No, only this year, twice a year.
Started coming twice a year this year because we went to different places, and I just said it's not Paphos.
No.
It's not the Alex. And I didn't want to go anywhere else anymore. So this year we decided to come here twice a year.
Common story when you come to Paphos.
And already we've booked twice for next year as well.
That's what we like to hear.
May and September.
Already booked.
Are you hoping for this room?
We're hoping for this room. Whether we can get it
crossed.
is a different matter.
It is indeed a
It's,
spectacular
it's
room.
what we get.
Yeah.
But we will put a word in and see if we can get it.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
So the room number is 302, by the way. So that's the view that you get, and it's called the seaside view. Okay, so it's not actually straight out into the blue Mediterranean Sea. But of course, those of you who understand Paphos, this is the best view in the house. And of course, it's got an absolutely huge balcony.
Oh.
And guess what?
I'm coming to stay
This
with you
is a
next year. Next
sunbather's
year.
paradise, that's for sure. Priscilla Booth is now resting her weary bottom on a sun lounger, which is rather nice. Priscilla Booth,
I'm not here.
Here for the evening.
She said she's not going home.
she's
I'm
not going home.
here.
I'm going to take you into the room. Come on, let's go and have a look. So, it's a great room, by the way.
He's
It's a
gone.
bit like a
Perfect.
suite, because you've got this little TV area here, and just across there, you've got this lounge area. And that's, of course, the lady
Hollywood.
coming back in. But look at the size of the balcony. It's absolutely huge. And like I say, in the daytime, it's blessed with sunshine. Am I right?
Yeah, we get the sun come round from the early morning right the way round.
Yeah, in the evening, straight.
Straight in. Yeah.
Yeah.
Straight in.
Yeah. Golden rays of sunshine are coming straight into this room. That is their rather nice king-size bed. It does look very nice. Is it soft and comfortable?
It is very comfortable.
Very, very comfortable.
Yes.
And again, you've got a further lounge area just over here.
Yes.
So if you want a place that's home from home, and again, you've got the inland view, and again, you've got that view straight out into the Quai de Paphos Promenade and, of course, the harbour area. Doesn't get much better. Remember that room number, 302. Of course, if you are a lady and you want to do a bit of beauty treatment, this is where you come. And of course, you can even bring with you your little mementos from home. Perhaps a little sheep, or perhaps a bull, I think that is. Anyway, apparently those are the sex toys.
That's Hamish and Sean.
Hamish and Sean.
Yeah.
So I'll work it out which one's which. I assume that one is Hamish
That's right.
and that one is Sean. There we are.
Yeah, not Sean because she's got a red bow on.
Ah, there we are. Do you take them everywhere with you? Is that
Yes.
what you do?
Yeah,
They come on our
they travel
YouTube.
with us.
Excellent.
They're our YouTube.
So do they go with you in the Land Rover when
Yeah,
you're
they're,
with us as
they're
well?
our YouTube companions when we're making videos.
Wow, absolutely spectacular.
Yeah.
Do you want to see the bathroom? Come on. So this is the main door, by the way. That is where all of your wardrobe space is.
you now.
And Dame
Lots
Anne's
of
going to
space
show us,
in
but
there.
obviously she's popped her clothes in there, and
Lots
she
of
does
space.
like to bring a few clothes. You see?
Yeah,
Plenty of room, isn't
I
there?
like to have choice.
Yes, choice for choice. There's also a safe in there, but of course there is a bathroom. Oh, she's going to show us this more shelving.
Shelves that side.
More shelving all the way down there.
Yeah.
And of course this is their rather nice bathroom. And it's a shower as well.
Yeah.
We haven't even used that unit.
And a marble
amazing.
top.
Yeah.
And again,
It's
plenty
looking
of storage.
amazing.
So much space.
And again, if you want to shave that moustache off, there we are.
Yeah.
Some nice works of art and a rather nice toilet.
And there's a very good effect at the
Yeah,
Alex
yeah.
at night. If people don't want the big lights on when they go to the loo in the middle of
It's
the
really
night.
beautiful.
Look them off.
Fabulous.
Look at that.
Night
Yeah.
Themed in blue. There we are. Themed in blue. Little ceiling light that just lights it up just that little bit
Just
so you
enough.
don't disturb your partner in your crime.
Absolutely, yes.
We want to say a huge thank you. Thank you,
That's
Lady
enough.
Miss. We're
That's
going to say a big thank you to Lord
Yeah.
Andy, who's sitting over there chatting with Miss
All
Archie
right.
Priscilla Booth.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you very, very much, Lord Andy.
That's all right. My pleasure.
Did you get these apples free of charge?
Yes. Yeah, they're free.
What
Yeah,
else
with
did they give you? Did they
compliments.
give you a bottle of wine or something like
No, not this time. No.
No,
No,
not this time.
No, I think they're doing a bit of cutback
Cutting
on that.
back a little
yeah,
bit.
cutting back a little
that?
bit.
Priscilla Booth, what do you think?
Well, I don't put that rat. I don't need that little rat. I've got my own rat.
This little rat.
Yeah, I've got my own rat. And go further, a bit more far away. Don't show to the people all my wrinkles and aging. Please, please, we agreed with it. I would like to say one more thing before we say a goodbye. A really amazing room. Absolutely perfect delish, should I say, and very tasty room. Why tasty? Because you could even eat it. So they've got something to eat. I'm not hungry really, I understand what I'm saying. But when you go outside of the balcony, you understand how amazing and whole beautiful views is opening to the sea view and inland view just for you. And when you go outside, you think that whole world really presented just to you. And Andy just told me that they don't even put air condition because when you open this beautiful balcony door, you just have enough breeze. And also because it's enough room around here. It's quite spacey room. There's a space for beautiful ladies' outfits and stuff, and there is a space even for Andy's stuff.
And he does like to carry the odd item.
Yeah.
Oh yes, yes. They come. Yeah, with plenty of shirts.
He comes pretty well packed, doesn't he, Lady Ness?
Yeah, he's got more clothes than me.
He's got more clothes than Lady Ness.
Sitting here and enjoying the views around, I would wish everyone, not only I would wish and everyone would, to have this little apartment to earn as a property by his own self.
It is like a little apartment, there's no doubt about it.
It is.
Time for the big goodbye.
It looks like a home, I can say easily, because I have been in many places. And when you, I want you to show the view from this window.
It is a spectacular
Please.
view, by the way. Look at that. Imagine sitting here having a cup of tea, or that last wee dram as you watch that sunset. And it is a huge room. We're going to go out onto the balcony. But before we do, we can get a big goodbye from Andy.
Goodbye from me.
We'll see you in one of the next ones.
And a goodbye from me.
Big goodbye from Lady Ness. And it is a very sizable room, there's no doubt about it. They don't call it a suite, but I think they should. Grisivi?
Well, they should, but if they wouldn't, it's their fault, it's their loss, should I say. It's an amazing place, and all you want to say that we wish you were here together with us, but one day you will. We know that you will. At the moment being, we have to say a goodbye to all of you from the bottom of our 4 hearts. We're loving and kissing you, and really wishing you were here.
I'm going to take you onto that balcony
How
and allow
comfortable
you
one.
to see that
Actually, can I
spectacality
stay under
of you.
the bed of yours? I can sleep under the bed.
Yeah,
I can.
Under the bed.
Can I?
Quite simply,
What is
a
my
view
not working? Is
worth
working?
dying for.
It's actually what?
Downtown Paphos, on a spectacality of an evening indeed. In the distance is the Paphos Harbour and of course the downtown Paphos promenade. If you like what you see, hit the like, smash that subscribe. Please don't forget to keep on coming back for that little bit more of our complete and utter madness as we take you on our travels, our little adventures in and around Paphos. And of course, if there's somewhere that you would like us to go, drop it in the comments, and that little video may be coming very soon indeed, especially for you. Why not go and hunt us down on the Buy Me a Coffee platform, because that's how you could gift us that virtual coffee or two, or perhaps even join us as a superstar member. Starting off at only €10 a month. I would like to say a big thank you to one or two of the guys that do. If your name is Dayman, thank you very much indeed. If your name is Lady Kerry and of course Lord of the Tony, sorry to see you leave the island of love, but again we thank you very much indeed for your support. And of course that is a view of the terrace straight back into the little suite that is known as room 302. You'll see the
It's an amazing view from here, and also I am amazed of that blue Mediterranean pools, by the way. If you have a look about there is only 4 suites or whatever they are private.
These are the
pools.
private bungalow
Really
suites,
amazing.
yeah. And they do look
Amazing.
absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching, and of course we'll look forward to your company again very soon indeed.